In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Grammarly Premium, how to purchase Grammarly Premium 5 minutes. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Grammarly. Click the official Grammarly result to go to the site. If you're not already signed in, look for the option that says I have an account. Choose that to proceed to the sign in page, enter your email address, and click Continue. Depending on your account, you may be prompted for a password, a one-time code, or to sign in with a connected provider. Complete the sign in so you land on your Grammarly homepage. From the homepage, locate the account area. You'll typically find it in the left sidebar or under your profile icon. Click Account to open your account portal. In the account portal, select Subscription. This is where you can view plans and manage your upgrade. On the subscription page, select the premium option you want to purchase and click Get Started. Next, choose your billing cycle. You'll usually see monthly and longer term options. Longer terms often reduce the cost per month. So pick what best fits how long you plan to use premium. The page will show a clear price summary before you pay, including any taxes or fees where applicable. Now select your payment method. If you're paying by card, click credit card, enter your card number, expiration date, security code, name on the card, and billing zip or postal code. Make sure these details match your bank records exactly. A quick tip: confirm you're on a secure connection and that the address bar shows the official Grammarly.com domain before entering any payment information. Before finalizing, review the order summary one more time. Double check the plan, the billing frequency, the total amount, and whether the subscription auto renews. If there's a space for a promo code, apply it now and confirm that the total updates correctly. When everything looks good, click Complete Purchase. Give it a moment to process. You should see a confirmation screen and your account status will reflect premium. If it doesn't update immediately, refresh the page or return to account and then subscription to verify the upgrade. You'll also receive a confirmation email with your receipt, so keep that for your records. That's it. You've successfully purchased Grammarly Premium. You can now enjoy advanced suggestions across the web app, browser extensions, and other integrations connected to your account. If you ever need to change your plan, update billing details, or manage renewal, you can do it from the same subscription section.